My model is human circulatory system. The circulatory system is called cardiovascular system. Cardio means heart and vascular means blood vessel. The circulatory system consists of the heart, the arteries, veins and the capillaries. The heart is a muscular organ which acts as a double pump. It lies in the chest behind the breastbone between two lungs and immediately above the diaphragm. The heart is divided into right and left side, separated by thin wall. The division protects oxygen-rich blood from mixing with oxygen-poor blood. Together, your heart and blood vessels comprise your cardiovascular system which circulate oxygen and blood around the body. In fact, the right and left side of the heart divided into four chambers. The two upper collective chambers called atrium and the two lower thinner muscular pumping chambers called ventricle. Between each atrium and ventricle has a non-retaining valve. These are four valves in a heart: the tricuspid valve, mitral valve, pulmonary valve, and the aortic valve. These are valves allow the blood flow one direction only. Let's turn to my model. This is the oxygenated blood and this is deoxygenated blood. The oxygenated blood comes from the lungs to the pulmonary artery by the pulmonary vein, and pulmonary artery through this blood to left ventricle by the opening of bicuspid valve, and the left ventricle through this blood the systematic aorta by the opening of aortic valve, and the aorta throw out the blood all around the body. And this is the deoxygenated blood. Deoxygenated blood comes from to the body by superior and inferior vena cava through the right atrium, and the right atrium throws this blood to the right ventricle by the opening of tricuspid valve, and the atrium is contracted and they push the blood to the ventricle by the opening of tricuspid valve. When tricuspid valve closes, then atrium is relaxed and ventricle is contracted and push the blood to the pulmonary artery by the opening of pulmonary valve, and the pulmonary artery throws the blood to the lung. The triangle is completed at triangle.